All right, and on to one of my favorite arcade game favorites, Gauntlet. So,
surrounding you.
mm.
Level 2.
And we'll bring on 2 players here. Sunny, go ahead, take that over.
Where am I? Okay.
This was a cool game at the arcade because you'd have up to 4 people playing with you. And like, you would not even know the people, and next thing you know, you'd be like,
I have no help.
totally like invested in this with them and like becoming
I'm gonna need
friends.
the next food. Oh shit. Oh, sorry.
Do you not cuss on my videos?
Sorry. Oh, I just died. So I think.
Oh, you died already?
Yeah, I had low health.
Okay.
Yeah, so press start.
It happens.
Oh, here I am.
I'll just grab that treasure.
Hey!
You just keep fighting for me there.
You always have to fight your battles.
Yeah. Oh, my treasure. My other treasure, my potion.
Stop getting all the potion. I have low health too. God. You have to hit those.
Oh, you know what? I think we need to get the other key still.
I think you need to stop getting all the treasures. You get one. There. Yeah, I got a key. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So whoever gets the key
do
has to
this.
wait for the other person.
Yeah.
Ooh. There you go.
Oh, I think maybe I have the other key, so maybe I need to go first.
What?
Yeah.
No.
Nope, we're missing a key.
Okay. Let's go look.
Okay. But this was a classic game at the arcades back in the 80s.
Here it is. Go get it.
There it is. All right. Played up to 4 people. You could be the elf. You could
Level
be
4.
the warrior, the Valkyrie.
Oh shoot.
One other one.
It's got turkeys.
Got a key.
Oh, I got
You've got a potion. Let's do this. Shoot the box where they come out of.
Oh, I'm shooting you. Sorry. You go back this way. You died.
All right, I think we're gonna end it here.
Okay.
All right, guys. So that's my game control panel running Raspberry Pi with Hyperpie on the SD card. Hope you liked it.